Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. Okay, so this is your twin flame and soulmate reading for the month of August 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. Gender is not specific here and I don't read reversals. Okay, so I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective general Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Okay, so it is not going to resonate with each of you, so take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, and if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages for my Aquarius twin flame and soulmate reading for the month of August 2021. While shuffling, I am getting the energy of come to the edge. This is the message that you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. And there is milk and honey. So maybe you can see a lot of rainbows these days, and this is very beautiful card. This is the card which is saying that a lot of abundance is coming for you. A lot of prosperity is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, so let's start the reading and let's see what are the messages. Okay. Please guide God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the important messages which are important to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of August 2021. Okay, and I saw loyal heart too. So let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, let me see more. Please give me the message. Okay, so Aquarius, you must be feeling that why I am stuck in some kind of cycle. There is some kind of cycle where you are being stuck here. Okay, see again the bottom of the deck I'm having the loyal heart, which I would told you that this is the loyal heart and the fate. So this is someone which is written in your destiny. Okay, you both are having the same principles of life, same rules. Okay, if you're loyal, then this person is also loyal. This loyal heart is here. Okay, and this is someone who is written in your destiny, who is your fated one. Okay, right now you are observing things here. You are observing things in your life, that what is happening, and there is fork in the road. So you have to take some kind of decision in your life. Okay, and you have to clear out the clutter here, the chop wood. Anything which is not serving your highest good, you need to let go and release those things. So chop wood is here, and this is the time to go in a forward direction, move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Maybe some of you are feeling like orphanage and you are moving in round and round cycles. Okay, you are you are moving into round and round cycles because you are not learning the lesson. Okay, just take the picture from a different perspective, from a higher perspective, and see that why I'm repeating these cycles again and again. Maybe there is a unfinished lesson which you are not able to understand right now. So you have to understand that lesson and move in a forward direction. Okay, so this is very beautiful, and there is not for you. So there is something which is not for you, Aquarius. Okay, and this is co-create. Okay, so you have to co-create here by using your courage, by using your intuition, by listening to your inner voice, by listening to your soul. Okay, so this is the beautiful message which is here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see message from the true love. Wow, there is love. Okay, let's see what is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius. There is connection here. So there is some kind of connection which is coming for you. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? There is spiritual maturity and there is boundaries. Wow. And it just flew out. There is commitment which is coming for you. Okay, let me adjust my camera. I think it is clear now. Okay, yes, there is a commitment which is coming for you, Aquarius, and this is very beautiful. Can you see? There is a commitment which is coming for you, and there is boundaries and spiritual maturity. So you're becoming more spiritual than before. Okay, you're becoming more mature than before, and you are now setting up healthy boundaries around yourself, and that's very important to set up. You are listening to your intuition, you're keeping your strength and courage. Okay, you are moving in a forward direction, you're setting up healthy boundaries around yourself, you're doing your meditation, you're doing your healing. Okay, so this is what you are doing here. Okay, you're following your spiritual practice, you are following your path basically. Here, bottom of the deck, I'm having maturity. So definitely you're becoming more mature than before, but some of you're going to get the commitment here. Okay, either this is your twin flame or this is your soulmate, because here I am doing the reading for the twin flame and soulmate. So this is definitely you're getting the commitment from your twin flame or your soulmate, whatever you are dealing with. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the... Okay, that was very fast. Claim your art. You need to claim your art, Aquarius, okay? And breathe true to yourself. So this was the same message in your bonus love messages also. You need to be true to yourself and claim your art, okay? So thank you for giving the messages. Okay, now let's see what are the messages from this deck, the Psychic Tarot deck. Please give me the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of August. What is the message you want me to deliver? What is the message you want me to deliver? Wow. So yes, maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 1111, 111, okay, but 1111 I can see here. So this is definitely prosperity and love begins. So this is very beautiful. Can you see there is rainbow here again? Lot of blessings are coming for you. There is love which is beginning in here, and there is prosperity which is coming here. You are keeping your balance, okay? The balance is here. Now you can set up, that's why the message is here. Now you can able to set up the healthy boundaries around yourself. You're creating this beautiful balance in your life. Okay, this is also a temperance card also. Okay, we can call it temperance also, but now you are able to make a balance in your life. 0808 is the recording reading time. Now you know how to make a balance and boundary in your life. That's very important. Okay, and you are standing your ground here. Stand your ground. You're standing your ground. That's what the healthy setup boundaries here. Okay, there are beautiful partnership and alliances which are coming for you. And this is 6 of Cups energy, memories of love. There is soulmate which is coming for you from the past, with whom you have spent many past lives together here, Aquarius. Yes, so definitely there is someone who is coming for you. Wow, I just cut it out, and there is spiritual union. Definitely this is your spiritual union. This is someone who is your divine counterpart. This is someone who is your soulmate. This is your twin flame. Okay, there is a union which is coming for you here, Aquarius. Wow, wow, wow. They were trying to say me, take the card, take the card, take more card, take more card. Okay, I said, okay, I'm going to take it. Definitely there is harmony which is coming for you. Can you see how beautiful it is? You both are coming together. This is the spiritual union. Okay, there is victory and success which is coming, and there is definitely new beginnings which are coming for you. Can you see? New beginnings. So very powerful and very beautiful messages here from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay, now let me see what I need to add. Okay, let me see one message from Power of Love. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Wow, let me know in the comment section if you're getting reunited with your twin flame or with your soulmate. If you are receiving the commitment, okay, so let me know in the comment section, and I'm sending lots of blessings for you both, and I'm very happy that you both are getting back. Okay, there is loyalty. Your reliability demonstrates your loving sense of devotion and consistency of being. Okay, so there is loyalty here, and there is expression. You are ready to manifest your thoughts and transform them into acts of love. Again, see, can you see the rainbow colors are here? So definitely you can see a lot of rainbows these days. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the soul lesson. What is the soul lesson which Aquarius needs to learn for this twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the message. Trust. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Okay, you have to keep your trust on your inner voice, on your intuition, and that's beautiful, because when you follow your inner voice, when you trust your inner voice, your inner guidance, it creates miracles, because now you are aligned with your own self. Then when you are in a balance, okay, when you create balance in the in masculine and feminine energy within yourself, you get union with yourself first. 11:11 is the recording reading time. So thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the Whispers of Love for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me one message for... Okay, this is... Wow. Action speaks loudly here. Express your love through actions, Aquarius. Okay. And there is express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Okay, so you need to express your love, express yourself, because action speaks loudly. So if you want to give anything here, gift is here. So you can gift, because that will create more love between you both. Okay, so thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the Power of Surrender cards. What is the thing Aquarius needs to surrender? What is the thing Aquarius needs to surrender? What is one thing? One message for Aquarius. What is the message? Surrender procrastination. Now it's the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Take action will attract success. Okay, so that's the thing which you need to surrender. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from this deck too. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Okay, so this is this is a deck where I just okay, yeah, let me see. One message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please give me one message. What is the message? No, there's too many. I need only one. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Wow, I'll take that. Okay. There is playfulness and there is reflection. So first message for you is playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy, Aquarius. Have some fun together, and remember, love is the greatest healer. Okay. And there is reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what is the message from your angels and ancestors. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Too many messages. Please give me the message. Any other message? There is night. You need to be brave and honest. Okay, be true to yourself first. You need to be brave and honest, and there is sage, be devoted and committed. Okay, so keep doing whatever you are doing, be devoted and committed here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see messages from the angels. Dancing with the angels. Start working on your creativity, Aquarius. Okay, need to work on your creativity. That's the message also I'm getting here. What is the message? Please give me the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading. Wow. So the first message for you is lack of communication. Angels wants you to be mindful and work on your communication skills, as you are invariably misunderstood. So this is what it is. So you have to be, there is a communication problem, okay? There is lack of communication, because of which the other person, your twin flame, your soulmate cannot understand your communication. Maybe they cannot understand your things. 1555. Okay, so the angel wants you to be mindful and work on your communication skills. Okay, there is lack of communication between you and your person, between you and your twin flame, or between you and your soulmate. And there is connecting with the angels. Angels are trying to communicate with you through signs, through symbols. Acknowledge their presence, pay heed to the angelic signs and the sublime messages. Okay, so yes, angels are communicating with you, Aquarius, through signs, through number synchronicities, through butterflies, through nature, through rainbows. Can you see through feathers? So pay attention to that. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Let's see what is the angel answers wants to give. The messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Don't stop. They want to say don't stop. Okay, what is the message you want me to give for Aquarius? Look for a sign. Again, pay attention to the signs and synchronicities, Aquarius. Look for a sign, okay? Angels are communicating with you. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see message from the fairy tale. Okay, this is beautiful deck. And see, fish wants to come out. So this is the good news which is coming towards you. Lot of abundance, because fish are the good news, who brings good news here. So there are good news which is coming for you here, Aquarius. Okay, good news, good fortune. So this is what I'm receiving here. Wow. Someone is coming towards you here, Aquarius. See, again the stock is here. So this is a new beginning, the birth of a new child, a new beginning or new relationship, and good news too. So new things are coming here, and there is someone on rider is here. So someone is rushing towards you. There is someone who is coming on a horse. Okay, they are coming towards you. This person is someone who is a dog. Okay, the dog means the loyal one. Okay, you both are loyal to each other maybe. And there is anchor, which is being here. So yes, anchor has been done. So this is the thing which means that yes, things are coming into alignment. Okay, so someone is coming on a horse. The rider is coming from the sky. There is bird, there is commitment, there is something which is coming for you here. Okay, they see there is someone, a gentleman is here, who's coming towards you with a cup, which at the with the emotions. They may be at the crossroads, or you are at the crossroads to choose. Maybe there are two different persons. That can be a possibility. Yeah, they're moving the mountains, they're crossing the mountains, the hardships, the hard decisions. They are at the crossroads and they are making a decision to choose you. Okay, because they want to offer their cup to you, Aquarius. So this is what I'm getting, and this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? Please give me the signs. Any other sign? Okay. So you can be dealing with fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, all signs are here. Okay, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, all earth signs are also here. And there can be a Cancer here. water sign, and there can be Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, all air signs. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, so this was your reading for twin flame and soulmate reading. So this is very beautiful reading I got for you. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel, okay, so that you can get important messages which are important for you. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.